In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a Clipper account on Nexxi.io and apply for brand campaigns, edit and post content, and get paid straight to your GCash account every Friday. CJ Rhea here. We're going to talk about Nexxi, the performance-based content distribution platform for brands and Clippers, where brands pay Clippers per 1,000 views. If you're an editor, marketing agency, freelancer, student, or anyone looking to earn through clipping or video editing, then we'll discuss it today. Before we start, quick run through, there are two ways to earn in Nexxi.io. First is by being a clipper where you edit and post content and you get paid per 1,000 views that you generate. Second is by building a clipping agency where you manage clipping campaigns for brands. For now, we're going to discuss how to create a Clipper account and apply to brand campaigns. Let's begin. First, let's go to Nexxi.io. I'm now here in the website. I can browse for more info. These are info for brands, but I am applying for a Clipper account. So these are the details on how to do it. Simply click this button, join free, input your email. I'm going to input this email as an example. Then a code will be sent to your email. Just put it here. Input your code here. Click continue. Let's start. These are just a couple of onboarding questions. I'm going to apply as a Clipper. After the onboarding questions, you're gonna get directed here. But first, let's start with the profile. I'm going to set my profile up. I'm already done with this. Done with my display name, phone number. You can put it here if you want to. The payout details is here, just double checking. And then it's very important here in the social accounts and portfolio, when we submit clips for each campaign, we're going to use our verified accounts. So in this section, you need to add your social media account. In this example, I'm going to use my Instagram account. Put your account link here. And then this is my handle. If this comes in wrong, you can just delete it and just put your username or channel name here. But in this case, it's right. Then I'm going to add this account. Nexxi gave a account bio here. I'm going to put this in my Instagram account bio so that Nexxi can verify that the account belongs to me. Okay, so just put this code in your account bio. Once you're done putting this in your account bio, click verify now. And just verify. Wait for your account to be approved. It's very important that you wait for your account to be approved first before applying to any campaign. Okay, now my account is verified. You can verify more accounts if you want to, if you have a TikTok, YouTube, Facebook account. There's no limit on the number of accounts you can verify on each platform. Okay, so now that we're done with our profile setup, I can now browse and apply for campaigns. It's here. So these are the campaigns available. You can filter out the campaigns if you want to, depending on the platform that you want to post on. So let's say I want to apply for this campaign. Going to check out the details if this campaign fits my interests or my editing skills. So this is Euros and Sparks Chocolate, an example campaign. This is the leaderboard. So these are the clippers that have already applied and have gained views. These are the campaign requirements that I need to read and follow. This is the source links and assets. Going to click this because this contains more guides and the videos I'm going to edit. So for the content guides, you can read it here. This is from the brand. And they mentioned here that I need to create a new account and use these logos for that new account. Okay, so these are the raw videos. I'll edit them later and then submit a post to Nexxi.io. Quick reminder guys, when brands give you their content, you need to edit their videos and post it on your own accounts. Preferably a new account with their brand logos or their branding. Once you post it on your account, you can then submit your video links to Nexxi.io so it can detect your number of views and help your submission get approved. Okay, let's go back. Just check out all the requirements and instructions by the brands. You can see here there's an affiliate program by the brands. So you can apply here and use this as an affiliate link. So you can both earn from their affiliate programs and in Nexxi when you get views. It's very important to highlight here, the brand says, my content needs to have 50% Philippine audience. This is very important to know when a brand requires your content to have a specific location of the audience, in this case, 50% Philippines. If your content does not match their requirements, let's say you achieved only 10% Philippines or anything lower than 50%, your content might get rejected. Let's go back. Also, it says here that we should strictly use the content that they provided and unrelated content might get rejected. Okay. All right, so that's their brand instructions. Let's go back to the campaign and that's it. So now I want to join this campaign and submit clips. Okay, I've already joined, just waiting for this to update. I can now submit clips. Okay, so this is Euros and Sparks campaign. I'm now going to submit my clips. Let's say you've already accessed the brand videos, you've already edited a video based on the content requirements, and now you've posted an edited video on your own new and branded account. Get the video link from that post. Once you get that video link, we can now submit it to Nexxi.io. Okay, so I've used my Instagram account to post the content that I've edited for Euros and Sparks Chocolate. I copied the video link from Instagram for my post. It's here. And then the platform I used was Instagram. And then if you have many Instagram accounts, it will appear here. But the only Instagram I registered was this. And then I'm going to upload my screenshots. When submitting to Nexxi.io, you still need to provide a screenshot of your analytics. Even if the analytics shows 0 views, 0 engagement, that's normal because you've just posted your video. Just submit a screenshot as proof. Now, the brands might ask for more proof like screen recording of the analytics of your video to show your audience geography or location. But since you've just posted, it's okay to just get the screenshot and upload the analytics even if it's empty. I'm going to upload my screenshot of the analytics. Even if it's empty, it's okay to upload. Once you get the minimum views required for payout, the brands might request more proof like screen recording of your audience geography. You just provide the screen recording to show your audience geography from your content that you posted. And once it passes the content requirements, then you're already eligible for payout. For now, I've submitted an initial screenshot. And then these are additional campaign reminders. I've already read them. I'm going to submit my clip. Okay, so now Nexxi is tracking my clip. If it gains more views, Nexxi will know and then notify the brands to approve, reject, or request more proof from my content. And here in the earnings tab, all your pending, your confirmed withdrawals will show here, and all of your transactions will show here. And just a reminder, the more clip submissions, the more campaigns you apply to, the more potential earnings you'll get. Again, guys, this is performance-based. So for every 1,000 views that you generate from a clip, brands are willing to compensate you for that effort. Now, if you're a social media manager, an editor, a freelancer, a student, you can earn through clipping campaigns, through submissions of clips. But if you're a marketing agency or want to start your own agency, you can manage clipping campaigns for brands. So you can reach out to brands, businesses, explain the concept of content distribution, and then you can run clipping campaigns for these brands on Nexxi.io. You just charge your clients the campaign budget you need and an added service fee. The service fee goes to you, and then the campaign budget, you use that to run campaigns in Nexxi.io for your clients. But if that's too advanced for you and you're still figuring out the loops, you can still earn by simply editing and posting content on your own Clipper accounts. Submitting it to campaigns in Nexxi.io. Once you gain views, you are again paid for all the views you generate. Now, if you want to learn more and go to Nexxi.io, I've put the link down below. We'll talk more about clipping, content tips, tricks on how to get your content approved by brands, and all features within the Nexxi.io platform. So if you want to continue learning, follow me. This is CJ Rhea. I'll see you on our next content.